Hello, I'm Akash, and currently I'm working as media associate in Merkle. And from past 3 to 4 years, I was very much struggling in the career sectors, and I was working with BPOs and sales and getting a very minimal salary. So recently, I found out about Kaiser Academy, who were providing this digital marketing course, and the things that are different at Kaiser academies and compared to the other academies is that they are not only providing the course, they are actually personally helping you at the time of cracking the interviews and even after getting placed at the job. So I took a leap of faith and I did this course, and after 40 to 45 days I got placed into a very good advertising agency just like my friends did. And yeah, once I got placed, they contacted me and they also helped me at the time of job with the practical things and the tasks that are given at the company. And I'm really thankful to Kaiser Academy. So anyone who is looking for a change in their career, and if they're looking for a great hike, and also if they want to get into an industry that is booming and that will be a future for a lot of decades from now, so I would suggest you to get enrolled into Kaiser Academy and change your future. Thank you.